What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for clicking on another video from us over here at Wingman University. I'm going to be doing a little bit different of a video today. We're not going to be doing any over-the-shoulder stuff. I just wanted to sit down and talk with you guys for a second and let you know some changes that we've had going on in the Facebook group over, on our weekly show that we're doing on Monday night, 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The link will be down in the description below if you want to join us for that. And what I want to talk about pertains to that a little bit, our Monday shows and kind of the content that we have coming up the next couple of months. But really, as we start to focus our eyes on next year, I can't believe it's almost 2020 already, we've realized how much we enjoy teaching again the last couple of weeks as we've been doing these coaching calls. I don't even know if they're like technically coaching calls or just like one-on-one time, but what I did the last 2 weeks was got to sit down with a bunch of you guys from our community and talk to you about where you're at in your print-on-demand business and some of the struggles that you've hit or bottlenecks that you have or walls that you've run into, and just get to kind of remember why we started this teaching thing. It's not because we love like putting out content or I love sitting down and talking to a camera, but it's really because we love success stories and we love helping people get to the point where they can have success stories. And that's been mine and Steven's passion, and we've realized this passion over the last 2 years that we've been teaching print-on-demand content, and that's really brought like some life back into our business. Me and Steven love print-on-demand and doing it ourselves and having our teams and our systems in place, and that's very rewarding and helps pay our bills and all that. But we lost some of the fun aspect of it when we were just doing this for ourselves. And so we've really enjoyed our business again, but also getting to know this community through this teaching that we've been doing, whether it's on Facebook on YouTube, but doing these Zoom calls or the one-on-one calls, whatever we're calling them, has again ignited that like excitement that I get about teaching for me personally. As I did the last 2 weeks, like I said, I did the one-on-one calls. I got to sit down with a lot of you guys from the community, multiple calls every day, and just see where you're at. And that really helped me and Steven basically after every one of those calls. I called up Steven, was like, hey, here's something that we've, kind of been missing the mark on, or here's something that we've been doing really well with, and so maybe we don't have to keep covering that topic. So it's just been interesting to hear from you guys. I think in our head we get to like see, what we feel like we've covered and things that we've, could talk more about, but actually hearing it firsthand from you guys has been very rewarding. And you guys have been telling us the things we've been doing well and some things we've been dropping the ball on, and so just having that connection with you and the community through these one-on-one calls has been so fantastic. And like I said, just excited me again about this business. So as we get ready for next year, me and Steven decided that we're going to do this until the end of the month. We're going to keep doing those one-on-one calls, and it's kind of like one-on-two because both me and Steven want to be on those calls and just have some time to get to one, know our community a little bit better, and two, also try to serve you guys the best that we can. And the time that we put into this, we want to make sure that it is targeting the right people and it's helping the right people exactly where you're at. That's what this whole Wingman brand is about, is helping you guys exactly where you are and helping you and giving valuable information for you guys to learn from and hopefully avoid some of the mistakes that we have made along the way. We don't know everything, and we don't say that we're gurus and we're going to tell you the exact way to do things, but we just want to share our experience, and we think the best way that we do that is actually one-on-one or talking with you guys directly on Zoom. I think from missing some conferences here in the last 6 months of the year, we're like starting to feel that, a little cooped up a little bit. So getting to talk to you guys on Zoom has been good. And just, again, that reminder of like where we're at, what can we be covering a little bit better, and, just bringing some of that life back into our community for us, at least, as it's been just a lot of me and him talking back and forth and trying to guide this ship. But we really enjoy this business most when we're interacting with you guys, when we're hearing where you're at. And so again, down in the description below, there's going to be a link for you guys until the rest of this month. So the end of October, we're going to stop doing this and kind of recalculate. Maybe we'll keep doing it longer, maybe we won't. But we want to give you guys that amount of time so you can link up with our schedule. It's the Calendly link down below that will let you know, when we're available to talk with you. And we're just excited about doing that. We're not trying to push anything to you. We're not trying to like upsell you on anything. We really really just want to sit down and talk with you guys and see, do we have stuff that could be helpful from the past that we've done, or is there a direction that we could head in the future that would help you really grow your business? As we learn more about the print-on-demand space and partnering and all these things that we're doing behind the scenes for our own business, we just want to start sharing that information more openly with you guys. So we would love if you would click those links in the description below and set up a time to talk with us, and hopefully we'll get to see you by the end of the month, and hopefully these go so well that we continue doing this the next couple of months as well, maybe into next year. So until then, we'll see you guys around. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching us here on YouTube. If you don't mind giving us a like and a subscribe, definitely helps, as we plan on putting more content here. But like I said, we're trying to figure out what content to put here. So if you guys jump on those calls, let us know what you're struggling with. Again, the bottlenecks, the walls that you're running into. We'll try to make content addressing that, not only on Facebook, but here on YouTube as well. All right, guys, see you later.